Did y'all know in World War I, after the assassination of the Christian spiritual leader, news spread throughout the whole Middle East, reaching the general, Agha Petros. The general immediately called for an urgent meeting with the Assyrian leaders to seek revenge. The Assyrian force united under the command of General Agha Petros. The leaders under this force were Melik Khoshaba, Melik Yaqo, and Melik Barkho of Lower Tiaret, Melik Qambar of Jilu, Melik Khnano of Tkhuma, Melik Khammo of Baz, and many other Assyrian leaders. Agha Petros gave out the order to bring Simko dead or alive. He also ordered the Assyrian force to bomb Simko city of Kanoshor with heavy artillery. The Assyrian force under the command of General Agha Petros attacked Simko city, killing almost 1,000 Kurdish fighters while also rescuing MarBenyamin's brother, who was held captive by Simko and his men. The Assyrian force went days without food, nor did they realize hunger at the moment because their appetite was to only catch Simko dead or alive after the brutal killing of the innocent Christian spiritual leader. Simko, who was surprised by the attack, found a way to escape the city. The Assyrian force killed many of Simko's fighters, leaving Simko terrified and on the run. The Assyrian force destroyed over 150 Kurdish villages around the area that supported Simko and confiscated their ammunitions and goods. Simko then escaped to one of his fortresses called Charah, but the Assyrian force were on his tail, following his trails. The Assyrian force then located the fortress, surrounded the area, and attacked viciously from all directions, killing another 500 of Simko's men. Simko did not even realize what had just hit him. The battle started Friday morning and ended Saturday evening the next day. A total of 1,500 Kurdish fighters were killed, while only 40 Assyrians perished during the expedition. Simko then escaped once again, only due to the fact that the Assyrian artillery weapons overheated and one Assyrian regiment that was supposed to attack from the west of the fortress arrived at the fortress late. By the way, this goes out to the haters that claim that these stories are just fake and fairy tale that never happened, when in fact these are historical documents written by British officials who were actually there at the time and now published into modern day books. So if you need help finding these resources, I will help you. You can find it with Ninos Narari's The Modern Day Sankhiro, and then Frederick Epram from Badr Khan to Saddam, and then The Flickering Light of Asia by Joel Werda. Bro, y'all can hate all you want, but Agha Petros and the Assyrian force put some Sun Tzu art of the war shit.